For the Edo 2024 governorship election wey don near, the People's Democratic Party (PDP) don step up their campaign with recent rallies for Akoko Edo and Etsako West local government area of the state as dem dey push hard to gather more votes for their governorship candidate Dr. Akoko and im running mate Osadio Oge Esquire. The ogbonge people wey put body for this campaign na Edo Governor Obaseki, the governorship candidate and the deputy governorship candidate Akoko and Osadio Oge, the party state chairman Anthony Azegbemen, Marvelous Omobayo and others. For one big gathering for Akoko Edo local government area, Governor Obaseki come make am clear say PDP get the best candidates for this election and come urge the people say make them vote for pesin wey get credibility and competence. As he dey address the happy crowd of the party supporters, Obaseki come chook mouth on how im government don carry out plenty reforms for education, agriculture, sport, technology and health. He come also warn say all these achievements go down if the leadership enter the hands of pesin wey no sabi, wey no get experience or no dey competent, or pesin wey go just dey use power for personal gain. Obaseki talk say dem don apply for plenty mining license and don set up companies, and now na the time to bring investors come the council areas. He talk say him and Akoko get plenty experience for capital markets and international organizations, and they don raise money to develop the state. Say together with Osadio Oge, dem go bring more investors come Edo.
Me and him don work for capital markets. We don raise money for big companies. We don't go international, we don't raise money. He know how to raise money. He know how to bring investors. He say he won't come. He won't bring these people. He don't charge. He say he won't bring investors. But they can't do mining for Akoko Edo. I beg you now. I don't do my own. No. I don't go practicing when I know say Sabi. Now na hand it there.
Dr. Akoko Edo, the PDP gubernatorial candidate, come yarn the people say make them come out plenty on September 21 to vote, and he come assure them say their votes go count. Say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don promise to support free, fair and credible election as a true Democrat wey be, but the APC dey use im name to boast say them go win the elections. But say PDP go dey watch them well and them go make sure say they frustrate all their plans and make sure say the votes of the people count. Akoko still talk say them go create prosperity for the state and make sure say people no go dey poor again. Say God don bless us for Edo and then not go allow anybody pull Edo backward.
Now, as he said, they know they walk, they know they do anything. They just they look for how they go do mago, wenge. That no be our own, no. That no be our own, no. Before I go sit down, make I talk another thing. Our president don't talk, say this election go be free and fair. Say he be president of Nigeria, he no be president of APC. So he no support anybody for any mago. He own a free and fair because na Democrat. I don't know him since na Deco days. And he don't tell us say he no there. All these people they use his name talk like they too lie. They can't use his name lie. Say no day with them. So making a no fear on election day. Make nobody worry. We go there protected. Our governor and chief security officer don't assure everybody.
The deputy governor Marvelous Omobayo praise Governor Obaseki for the way he don recognize minorities and give them place of pride for the state politics. Say the appointment of deputy governor from Akoko Edo na big achievement for the people. He talk say APC never give them any good position before, but them they grateful for the recognition and the opportunities where this administration don provide.
For the people who are not going to get those BP grammar, a good say make we put the record straight. Make we use this medium tank. Make we remove the cap, make we attack Obaseki for giving us deputy governor. You get what that thing mean to us, but now I want to explain to you today which Roman gift they don't give us before.
The campaign trail come also land for Etsako West local government area where they meet with plenty party members and supporters wey come out to welcome them. Edo Governor Obaseki and the PDP governorship candidate Dr. Akoko Edo come also yarn the people say na PDP get the best candidate and say to continue the good work wey don already start, make them vote for competence and credibility.
You know what it will cost me? All these people when they help, all this company when I be chairman, director, it means I have to resign from all of them to go serve Edo. Say, give me time to think about it. The man, he resigned from almost 10 big companies, banks, so that he could come serve Edo. Not be money he can't find. Not be money he can't find. Not be fame he can't find. Now the love of him people. The love for Edo, now make am leave everything to come serve. Me and Osarojo, we go work, we go know say we get government, we get governor. Una go see love. Obaseki, the way he show up, we go double am, we go triple am. Anybody wey love him pikin, when him pikin dey cry, you go ask am wetin dey make you cry. You go rub him eye, you go make sure say he no cry again. We don dey cry since all these people wey dey that place, all these people wey just dey jump on stage up and down. Wetin dem do when we dey cry? Instead make dem rub our eye, dey say you this woman get out. Na person wey love people be that? He just love himself. All of them na so dem be, they just love themselves. How they go chop our money, how they go use our money, be house. If we waka pass this place small, the money wey go build around 200 school, one man take and build estate for himself. Na so? No.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo North Senatorial District, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.